Okay, the last transaction, you paid rent of 10,000 Rand, so you're going to credit your bank to your account, right there, 10,000 Rand, and you're going to debit an account called, open a T account called rent, and you're going to debit that by 10,000. Okay, well, now, once you've done that, I want you to do the following. We are going to now, if we assume these are the transactions for the month, so we want to know what the balance is on each account. So if you take your bank account, there are some debit transactions and some credit transactions. So I want you to add up all the debits on your bank account. Write that down, and then you add up all the credits on the bank account. Okay, can you tell me what is the value of your, or the amount on your debit for your bank, and what is the credit on your bank?
So for the credits, they amounted to 58,000. If I'm not mistaken.
88.
58, sir.
58.
Yes,
and your
sir.
debits?
Can I just calculate them real quick, sir?
Yeah, no problem.
For my debits, they amounted to 36,000.
Okay, I have different figures. So let's have a look. On your
Yes.
debits, we had the 10,000 capital
Yes.
coming in. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Then we had sales for 25,000.
Oh, I'm mistaken. So the sales I actually added to the debit side instead of the credit side.
No,
Or to the credit side instead of the
you must
debit.
add it to the debit side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you correct that?
Okay, sir. Okay, I have, sir.
Okay, so your debit side is the 10,000 for the capital, the 25,000 for the sales, and
Yes.
debtors paid 10,000. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So that should give you 45,000 on the debit side.
Okay, sir.
Or do you have another figure on your debit side?
Yes, sir. I actually had a different figure, sir, but I'll correct it just now, sir.
And on your credit side, you should have drawings of 1,000 Rand, purchases of 18,000, creditors you paid 15,000, you paid wages of 5,000, and you paid rent of 10,000. Okay. So I want you to recheck that, because once you've done all the balances of all the accounts, you perform what is called a trial balance. Okay, and then you will see your bank's got a credit balance of 4,000. Your capital 10,000.
Yes, sir.
Credit, your drawings 1,000 on the debit side. Okay. Sales should be 65,000 on the credits. Accounts receivable should be 29,000. Do you have those figures? We haven't balanced them yet.
No, sir.
I'll give you time to do it. I don't want to rush you.
My accounts receivable doesn't add up to 29,000, sir. So I don't know how
Okay.
that's possible, sir.
Okay.
Because I don't find the figures, which are 40,000, the 10,000, which is on the credit side, and the 1,000 Rand also on the credit side.
So 40 minus 11, what does that give you?
Gives me 29,000, sir. Oh, okay, so now I understand, sir.
No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That's fine. Okay. And the purchases?
For the purchases, they amount to 38,000, sir.
Okay. Accounts payable?
Accounts payable. On my accounts payable, sir, on the credit side, I have 20,000. On the debit side, I have 17,000, sir.
So that leaves us with 3,000.
Okay, sir.
20 minus 17 is 3,000.
Yes, sir.
Sales returns is just the one transaction. Purchases returns one transaction.
Yes,
Wages
sir.
and rent. Okay, so if you add them all up, you'll see the debits come to 84,000 and the credits come to 84,000. And that is a trial balance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you feel a bit better about T accounts or not yet?
I actually do, sir, because
Eh?
that I'm starting to understand how the transactions occur, sir.
Okay. We'll be doing more of these. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, journals. I'm just going to carry on with the last 2 pages or so. Journals, those are just debits. It's for every transaction like I've done now with which account to debit and which to credit and what amount. That is simply a journal entry. You write it down and then you post it in the T account like we've done now.
Okay.
Bank reconciliation, I did mention that is simply saying that all the transactions that's in my bank account must be in my cash book. So in my bank that we've done, okay, that gives us the balance there of 4,000. Now, when you take your bank statement, all those transactions must be in there. So that's a bank reconciliation, which you do on a monthly basis. Okay. Computerized accounting, yes, nowadays we use different packages. I use Pastel or Sage Accounting. You get SAP, you get many different QuickBooks, all different types of accounts. Okay, then just make sure that you complete your textbook activities. And then next week we'll do look more on the transactions in chapter 3, where we start with the assets is equal to owner's equity plus liabilities. But I thought I just want to do the T accounts. Someone did ask on Tuesday, but I think if you just do the T accounts like we've done now, because we know more or less what transactions there are, that'll assist you when we do it next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any questions?
No further questions till now, sir.
Okay, then we'll see you on Tuesday. And have a good day.
Have a great day, so too, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.